Hi, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays. Today I've got a special guest who's going to introduce who she is and what she does in the world to make a difference.
Thank you, beautiful lady. What a glorious way to start a Monday. My name is Allom-Hill, and I have just recently determined what my tagline is. I am a brave-hearted woman who leads with grace and grit and who lives a wholehearted life of joy. And one of the things that I'm hugely passionate about is an incredible charity based on the coast called No More Fake Smiles. And they're a charity that's based on the incredibly brave Annie Jones, and we are aiming to absolutely stop sexual abuse of young children.
Wow, I am just so excited to hear what you're doing because I think this is the basis for everything and we need to educate people to know this isn't right. It's time to stop. So no more fake smiles. If you would love to know how to help, get involved or donate, please contact. Where's the best way for them to contact?
So there is a fantastic website. If you just Google No More Fake Smiles, that will give you everything, our purpose, talk a little bit about our calendar, give you an opportunity to donate. The names are there. Reach out. Really happy to have a conversation. Let's collectively get together and do something about this because it is despicable and we really need to stop it now.
Thank you so much. So if you're out there and you want to make a difference and you're a brave-hearted woman too, then please join us because we really want to make a difference.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.